How to allow or don't allow permission to notification access on Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on apps. From here, tap on the more button, then tap on special access. Then we go down and tap on notification access. In the list of apps, tap on the apps that you want to grant or deny the permission. So tap on allow or tap on the toggle button to turn off. From the pop-up, tap on turn off. And that's it. So that is how you can allow or don't allow apps to have or permission to a notification access. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.